Hello everyone, welcome back to RoboArmy. In today's video, we are going to build a conveyor belt automation project using Arduino. This project is inspired by real-life conveyor system used in factories, warehouses and airports to move objects automatically from one place to another. Our conveyor belt is made using cardboard and the movement is controlled using IR sensors, a DC geared motor and an L298N motor driver. Let's see how it works. Here are the components used in this project. Arduino Uno, 2 IR sensor modules, L298N motor driver module, 1 DC geared motor, conveyor belt structure made from cardboard, jumper wires, 2 rechargeable batteries with holder. Now let's quickly understand the connections. Connect IR sensor first. IR sensor 1 output is connected to digital pin 2. IR sensor 2 output is connected to digital pin 3. Both sensors are powered using 5V and GND from Arduino. Now connect motor driver L298N. In 1 connected to pin 8, in 2 connected to pin 9. ENA connected to pin 10 for speed control using PWM. DC motor is connected to the motor output terminal of L290N. The motor driver is powered using 2 rechargeable batteries with a holder. Take the double battery holder. Insert this red wire in the plus 12V slot and tighten the screw. Similarly, insert this black wire in the ground slot of the motor driver. Now power the Arduino from the motor driver. To do so, insert one wire from plus 5V slot of the motor driver to VIN pin of Arduino. Insert one wire from GND of motor driver to the GND of Arduino. Once the connections are done, double check it from this circuit diagram. The complete structure of conveyor belt is made using cardboard. 2 rollers are fixed at both ends. A belt is placed around the rollers. The DC geared motor rotates one roller. This rotation moves the belt smoothly. This makes the project low cost and easy to build for students. Now download the code file given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. If you have not downloaded the code file yet, kindly download it first. Now uploading the code in the Arduino. Connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino Uno. Now click on the upload button. That's it. Now turn on the switch. IR sensors give low output when an object is detected. When IR sensor 1 detects an object, the motor starts. Conveyor belt begins moving. When IR sensor 2 detects the object, the motor stops. Conveyor belt halts automatically. This ensures the motor starts and stops only when needed, saving power. So this is our Arduino-based conveyor belt automation project using IR sensors and a motor driver. If you like this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RoboArmy for more such amazing robotics projects. See you in the next video. Until then, keep building and keep innovating.
RoboArmy, one-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.